Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn honey coins fast in the Bizzy Bee update and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, what you want to do is buy honey carrots using shekels and plant them in your garden. You can go to the seed shop and you can buy the carrots. Okay, this will help you get started quickly and even give you some honey coins early on. Okay, once your plants are growing, your bees will automatically start pollinating them. You will see a short timer, and after that, your crops will become pollinated. Now, this is very important. Always collect your pollinated plants and take them to the honey machine. Okay, and you can go to the compress menu and talk to this NPC. Then you can select compress all my pollinated plants. After a short cooldown, you will receive your honey coins here. Okay. Now I'm gonna collect the coins. Okay, I got 19 honey coins. And to earn coin faster, guys, you need more plants. I recommend switching to tomatoes because they are one of the best plants for grinding. They grow fast and give consistent results. And next, guys, you can try to get more bees. You can do this by buying eggs and placing them in your garden. You can buy the bee eggs right here. And the more bees you have, the faster your plants get pollinated. Also, stronger and rarer bees give better effect. Okay, I'm going to view the index. And some of the bees can give you something called the godly pollinated mutation, which makes your plants much more valuable. And when you compress those, you will earn way more honey coins. So, yeah, just buy the rare and mythical bee egg because they are more powerful than the common egg. And also, don't forget to upgrade your tree as well. Upgrades like bee capacity, bee speed, honey production, and upgrade like bee capacity, bee speed, and honey production will upgrades like bee capacity, bee speed, and honey production will help you farm much faster. So basically, the best method is simple. Plant crops, let bees pollinate them, collect them, compress them into honey coins, upgrade your setup, and repeat. If you keep doing this, you will earn honey coins much faster. And that and that's it. And that's it for the video, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Good luck farming, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.